Hello, my name is Giga and today I will show you Admin GUI Premium plugin version 5.6.0. On my website you will be able to check all my free and premium plugins. A link will be in description down below. This plugin includes features that every microserver needs. Plugin has a lot of features and that's why I suggest you to check all commands, permissions and placeholders on Marketplace. So now we will download the plugin and put it into plugins folder. After this is done, we can start the server. If we see enabling Admin GUI Premium message, that means plugin is working. We can also validate that by executing pl command. If plugin is colored green, we are done with plugin installation. Now I will show you the config.yaml file where you can toggle features and set up everything. Here we can see all valid color formats that we can use in this config file. Here you can see every feature is listed under its own category for easier orientation. Now let's start enabling some features. As you can see, Admin GUI Premium has integrated permission manager, so you can choose between few methods of saving ranks. We will choose default method, as in the first part of this video I will show you single server configuration. Plugin has also integrated chat manager which supports Vault and placeholder API plugins. With this plugin you can even change tab list, which only refreshes when somebody joins or when rank is changed. That's why Admin GUI Premium is the most optimized plugin, but that also brings limitation like support for animations. So if you want the fastest plugin in everything, Admin GUI Premium is the best option for you. But if you want more features like animation, I suggest you to disable this feature and use another plugin. Every feature is also well documented, so you won't have any problems with changing variables. You can also make unlimited amount of custom chat channels and only give them to people with certain permissions. We will change those variables in second part of the video when we will connect multiple servers with 1 gigabit. In permission.yaml file you can add, remove and edit ranks and permissions. Default permissions.yaml file also include pre-made ranks with permissions, so it would make the job easier and faster for everyone. Here you can change prefix and suffix, set priority which is needed for a rank up and rank down system, and change permissions. You can also copy all permissions from other rank with inheritance. As you can see, all permissions from Admin GUI Premium, admin bans and essential plugins are already assigned. Now we can restart the server for all changes to be applied. Some features can also be applied with admin restart command, but some won't be. Now we can copy into the Minecraft server. Now we can see the first change in our Minecraft server, custom join and new messages. We have also changed tab list. As tab list only change when someone joins the server, you would need to rejoin to see the changes. Now we can see the chat manager is also working. And here are all the options we can use to give a rank to a player.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
As we don't have Vault installed, we can use prefix from built-in admin permission manager. Now we can see ranks in tab list. Let's take a look into admin GUI. We have everything organized into categories and most of the features here are self-explanatory.
Choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a
As we support Minecraft Server version from 1.8 to the latest Minecraft Server version, we use legacy items. So for the first time, it will take some seconds for server to load all legacy items.
Erase all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly
Super Vanish is the best Vanish plugin which completely hides players from the server. That's why I choose this plugin as default Vanish plugin for Admin GUI Premium. Admin GUI Premium also gives you option to implement your own custom commands to GUI. In the future my plan is to make Admin GUI completely customizable plugin, so players will be able to create their own GUIs.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
Maintenance mode will kick and prevent access to the server to all players that don't have specific permissions.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and
Admin GUI Premium also supports more than 20 languages, which can be downloaded with admin language, download, and then the name of the language.
And you and I, we got history. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey,
kick messages can also be customized.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Until you find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
If player does not have permission to use chat colors, then you won't be able to assign it to him. When you freeze a player, it will be moved to staff channel so staffs can talk with him privately. Admin Chat Manager also supports around 150 CSS colors and more than 16 million hex colors. It can also replace characters with emojis. And also it can filter bad words. It can even prevent chat spam with timer. Multiplayer sleep is a feature that allows only certain percentages of players to go to sleep for nights to be skipped without any annoying messages. Admin tools allows quick access to players menu with just a single click on a player. Admin GUI Premium also includes the fastest random teleport system, which can be accessed with RTP or wild command. Admin chat also includes clear and mute command. Admin command spy will show every command that is executed if it's not blacklisted.
I don't think I've been this nervous with the cold drink in my 2 hands saying no thanks. Like anyway it goes, cause I know things they shouldn't have told me. Now I'm thinking what for? Hanging by a sentence at the drugstore, barely even steady out the front door. Hate my own shit but I love yours. Fuck, I really love yours. 7 in the afternoon, half asleep, count the cars. All I think about is you, constantly. That's the hard part. Static on the line, I hear it all the time, but I'm quiet when you make me fade. Feel it coming back, watch it turn black, but I'm brighter when you make me fade. You make me fade. You make me fade. You make me brighter when you make.
Now let's take a look at some proxy features. Admin GUI Premium plugin also works on Bungee Core server, but it's only meant for communication between other Minecraft servers. So you will also need to have Admin GUI Premium plugin installed on every other Minecraft server. Admin GUI Premium plugin on Bungee Core server also supports fallback server. So if one server goes offline, all players will be teleported to another server instead of being kicked from the game.
Finally I coughed up some awful information that I thought of. Well, they think I've been messing with the wrong stuff. Nah, I've been messing with the right shit. Yeah, I fucking like it. Oh, wait a
As you already heard before, Admin Permission Manager support three methods: YAML, BungeeCord and MySQL. I recommend to use MySQL for BungeeCord networks, but as I didn't set up any MySQL database, I will use BungeeCord. First you would need to enable BungeeCord. Change server name, and then if you want cross-server chat, you can also enable BungeeCord admin chat. Also don't forget to change database settings down below if you use admin permission MySQL. Now we can just copy config.yaml file to other servers and only change server name. As you can see, two players are located on different servers and can communicate with each other. Ranks are also synchronized on World BungeeCord network.
Slipping off the edge, out of phase, watching you pretend we're okay. Every weekend we hitchhike to hell, and you only think of yourself. If we're going down, we're going down in flames. Flying around the highway, trying to get away. Don't speak, I'll try to save us from ourselves. If we're going down, we're going down in
Now I have stopped one server to see if players on that server will be safely teleported to another server without being kicked from the game. If you have any questions, you are welcome to join our Discord server. Link will be in the description down below.